Want to see how I created these adorable no-sew Easter pillows from dollar store gift bags? I started with a dollar store gift bag and I took a seam ripper and removed the front and back panels of the bag. I also cut off the handles and set them aside to use later in the project. Then I added bits of plastic zip ties to the back just to give some form to the ears, and I covered them up with the handle of the bag, and I did that for both ears. You could actually use popsicle sticks for this too, but I like the flexibility of the zip ties. Then I used more hot glue to trace around the outside of the bag. You could sew this too, but I like a quick no-sew option, and do kind of all three sides of the bag, and then you're going to attach the back piece to the front piece, and make sure you leave a piece open because of course you're going to want to stuff this pillow. Now it's time to stuff the pillow. So you can use traditional stuffing, but I find it's a lot cheaper to grab a pillow at the dollar store, cut it open, and use that filling. I stuffed my pillow and then I used my hot glue to seal up the seam at the bottom, and I pressed it closed, and that was it. The pillow is cute as it is, but if you like, you can add a little bit of extra ribbon detail with your glue gun like I did here. And here's what the finished pillow looked like. And of course, I wanted to make a pink version too. Pretty cute, right? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, really helps my channel. And subscribe and hit the bell to see more videos like this. See you next time.